Look at this. It's difficult when I'm filming them close up with iPhone. The slightest movement, and they're a bit nervous, which is good. They're still very much wild. There's a few in now, though. That's one way of doing it, mouse. Oh dear. Is that a safety net for mouse? So it can get back down that pipe. Oh, they're all in there. That's a feast. He's found a frozen bit of Yorkshire tea. Homemade Yorkshire tea, I reckon. If anybody wonders what that is, it's hazelnut paste, wild rose hips from local meadows, crushed peanuts, crushed sunflower hearts, all blended together with a spot of, I forgot what they call it now, but it gives the shirt a coat of a nice shine, doesn't it? Oh dear, brilliant.